Today I'm going to show you how to copy a background style in Figma quickly and accurately, whether that background is a solid color, a gradient, or another fill style you want to reuse on a different shape or frame. This is a super useful trick when you want to keep your designs consistent without manually rebuilding the style from scratch every time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and find the element that already has the background style you want to copy. This could be a frame, rectangle, card, section, or any shape that contains the fill, color, or gradient you want to transfer. Click on that source element so it is selected. Make sure you select the actual object with the style, because Figma will copy the properties from whatever is currently active. Now that your source element is selected, it's time to copy the properties. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus Option plus C. If you're on Windows, press Control plus Alt plus C. This copies the selected object's properties, including its background fill, so you can paste them onto another element. Think of this as copying the style, not just the object itself. Next, click on the target element. This is the frame or shape that needs the new background style applied to it. It could be an empty section, a different card, or any other object in your design. Once it's selected, you're ready to paste the copied properties onto it. To apply the copied background style, use the Paste Properties shortcut. On Mac, press Command plus Option plus V. On Windows, press Control plus Alt plus V. As soon as you do this, Figma will paste the copied properties onto the selected target element, and the background style should update to match the original source. This is especially helpful if you're working with multiple sections in a website layout, app screen, or brand design and you want everything to look consistent. Instead of manually matching colors or gradients, you can just copy and paste the properties in seconds. It's one of those small Figma shortcuts that can save a lot of time across an entire project. If you're not seeing the result you expected, double check that you selected the correct source element before copying and that the target element is selected before pasting. Also, make sure you're using the property copy and paste shortcuts, not the regular copy and paste commands, because those do something different in Figma. That's really all there is to it. Select the element with the background style, copy its properties, select the new element, and paste the properties over. Once you get used to this shortcut, you'll be able to move styles around much faster and keep your Figma files looking polished and professional. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more Figma tips, shortcuts, and design workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.